Good morning. My nose is a little runny today. Welcome to Mantra 108, where we're working our way through the Ganesha Mula Mantra, the root mantra, the root mantra for Ganesha. And this mantra attunes us with the energy of removing obstacles. It offers us the grace to bring our troubling actions into balance with our true essence, our Purusha. So we are on day number 14. I apologize for doing all of this in our morning practice, but my nose seems to be acting up with some sneezes this morning. So while we're waiting for everybody to join today, I'll just say that my energy is not up to par today because I stayed up into the wee hours with my husband trying to soothe our sweet little doggy Pinto because he was so terrorized by the fireworks. As I've read many posts on Facebook about the fireworks, it appears that the same problem was happening all over the country. Not just in my little town of Riverside, but there were fireworks being engaged in people's backyards, blowing up sounding like bombs and gunshots, and we took our little dog Pinto and got in the car, and we had both of our dogs with us, but we got in the car and we drove around for 2.5 hours because it was the only, with the radio up really high, and it was the only place that he felt some modicum of comfort. He was so terrorized, and as I've read posts, other posts on Facebook, I see that so many little dogs were terrorized too, and cats, and I read that wildlife is also very terrorized by these fireworks. So my energy is low today because I spent most of my night trying to calm my sweet doggy. And I would make a plea to everyone to please stop this practice. You're terrorizing animals all over the world if you're setting off firecrackers. So anyway, I'm seeing that there are people on now. You found me this morning. So I just have a very short little passage to read to you this morning. I'll read some more stuff out of this book over the next couple of days. Tell you some stories. It's time to tell you some stories about Ganesha. We've talked about Lakshmi. We've talked about Lalita. We've talked about Lakshmi and her beach mantra of Shrim. We've talked about Lalita and her beach mantra of Hrim. We've talked a little about Kali and her beach mantra of Grim. And now we're getting to Ganesha, Glaum and Gam, getting to the beautiful stories. We'll talk about the beautiful stories of Ganesha. So Gam is also a beach mantra for Ganesha, calling the name of sweet Ganapati. So I'm going to read a little tiny bit from this book. It's called Sacred Sound, Discovering the Myth and Meaning of Mantra and Kirtan. And this is by Alana Kaivalya. And this book looks like this. So there's a chapter here about Ganesha. One of the most popular of all the deities in the yogic pantheon is Ganesha, who inspires loyalty through his charming presence and generous ability to help out with problems, though usually in a clever way that we might not expect. Ganesha's helpful and lively qualities are well renowned. He is known for his great balance as he rides a mouse despite his heft and elephant head. He is also recognized as a regular practitioner of yoga, asana, physical practice of yoga, which he learned from his father, Shiva, the founding father of yoga. Ganesha is also a great listener, given his large elephant ears. He is happy to listen to the troubles of those who call upon him in order to help find a crafty solution. And with a call to Ganesha, we are calling for his delightful energy, which we'll talk about more in upcoming days. I'll tell you, it's now time during this last week of our practice to spend time on Ganesha. I know that you may have been wondering, gosh, this is a practice about Ganesha. Why are we not talking about Ganesha? Why are we talking about Lakshmi, Lalita, Kali, Om? Why are we talking about all that? So I wanted to introduce you to all of those beach mantras first, and now we get into the juiciness of Ganesha, this remover of obstacles. The other thing that I'll say about Ganesha before we start to chant just this morning is that he's great for discernment. We talked about viveka, discernment, this idea of discernment, probably in our last mantra session. So it's important that we have discernment, and this allows us to discern what is real and what is not. It allows us to discern what we should pay attention to and what we should not. It allows us to discern when we are being troubled and perhaps even imprisoned by the vrittis, the disturbances of the chitta, our heart-mind energy field that we've talked about. So all of these practices of discernment are important in our spiritual practice. Discernment comes into play with Ganesha when we talk about his trunk. In his trunk, it's very strong, and he's able to pick up, big giant logs. Elephants are able to pick up big giant logs and move heavy objects with their trunks, but they're also able to articulate their trunks so specifically that they can pick up a peanut and crack it and eat it. So the trunk is a symbol of Ganesha's discernment. And when we're bringing his energy into our internal landscape by chanting this mantra or any Ganesha mantra, we are tuning into all of the qualities of Ganesha, not just his ability to remove obstacles or place obstacles very craftily, as this little paragraph that I read to you noted, but also many other abilities, the ability to listen, the ability to be very discerning, and much, much more. So we'll talk about those in upcoming days. Some juicy stuff to talk about and contemplate around Ganesha. So that's all that I'll talk to you about this morning, and we'll get into our mantra. So go ahead and close your eyes, sit tall, make that connection with the earth. Drop those grounding cords down, all the way to the core of the earth. Open your crown, reach out for the sky, for the heavens. Draw that energy down into your body as the earth energy has come up into your body. Begin to soften, dropping shoulders away from the ears. Soften your skin and your muscles. Bring that soft energy to your heart and to your mind. I just want to say that today is a really good example in my own practice that I'll mention to you, because I'm sure that you'll face days like this. This is a good example in my own practice that if I was not committed to my mantra practice, my daily mantra practice, that this is a day that I would have gladly stayed in my bed and not gotten up because of the need to babysit my poor little doggy all night long as he was so terrorized by the fireworks. But our mantra calls us, our mantra practice calls us to sit every day and to honor our practice. This is part of the tapas, the fiery discipline of practice. If we honor the tapas of our practice and come to seat, even if we don't really want to on any given day, our practice will burn away the vrittis, those heart-mind disturbances, burn away the ego clinging, burn away the suffering, burn away the fear, burn away the pain, burn away the grief, burn away all of those things that we are living in our lives, so that more and more we're brought back to Purusha, the inner light of awareness. Let's take an inhale together to begin. Aum Shrim Rim Grim Glaum Gam Ganapataye Varavarada Sarvajanane Vashamanaya स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गां वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजनमे वशमनाय वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन मे वशमनय स्वाहा ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्रीं ग्लौं गां गणपतये वरवरदा सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गौं गणपतये वरवरद सर्वजन में वशमनाय स्वाहा। Sit in the silence of your sound vibration. And that brings us to the end of our practice today. So we are at the end of our second week. Tomorrow morning we start the first day of our third and last week of practice. And next week we'll all be dedicated to Ganesha, telling you lots and lots of stories about Ganesha. Alrighty. Have a wonderful day. Hopefully we won't have any more fireworks tonight. Ooh, I don't like the fireworks. All right. I love you. Have a lovely day.